Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to mute someone's stories on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Once you open the app, you will see the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your chat page. Now, choose the user you want to mute stories on Snapchat. There you will see the three vertical dots on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. From the pop-up screen, click on Story Settings. Here you will see two options: Story Notifications and Mute Story. Click on Mute Story. Now, tap on Done, and you will successfully mute story on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to mute someone's stories on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.